join us as we've just finished tacking off the Daimler Dart that we previously primed in one of our video clips, and we're now going to apply the what I think is a very nice colour blue to it, which should complement with the chrome quite nicely. So we shall now start to give it its shine. Okay, there we go. It's now got its coat on, which will have a flatten the polish. And as I said before, I really think the chrome's going to stand out on this. We are having the interior done in a cream leather, and we've got a colour for the roof and spoked wheels. This really should sing. Thank you for watching. Follow us on CBR Classic Restorations. Thank you.